No two pieces are the same, but they all belong together. The missing parts still belong, but a life spent hidden away under the lounge is not a fulfilling life. Often we suspect a piece or two is missing or doesn't fit. However, in the hands of a skilled creator, everything fits, coming together in a satisfying and fulfilling way, with each piece happily coexisting alongside the others and helping to reveal the big picture. If parts are missing, the whole will still make sense, but it is noticeable that the parts are missing. When all pieces are jumbled in a box, they make little sense. The individual pieces have their own pattern, aesthetic, and colour that, when fitted alongside and in a row, creates a great picture. Each piece holds the others firm. A lot of odd-shaped individuals in a lot of odd-shaped holes. Each piece needs to be connected for the picture to hold together. A missing piece is sorely missed. When wholly together, the final picture can still be quite insecure, fragile, and prone to crack and collapse. Edgy, cornerstone, fringe dweller, hard to decipher, unambiguous, indistinct, not quite a neat fit. To complete a jigsaw requires time, close attention, trial and error, and sometimes a lot of rainy days. Every piece matters. Nothing worse than getting to the end and you are missing a piece. Made of many unique components, each with its own special characteristics. Some may seem a bit straight, some may seem a bit angular. Others may be hard to fit in, but when it's finished, it's clear that they all belong. It can be a lot of hard work, but the final picture, absolutely worth it. We are interdependent, working together like the pieces interlocking. A completed jigsaw only has the impact that its many individual pieces contribute. It's the same with the church.